Hey, it's Kelly from MX Hideout. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on the CRF110 and how to make it last longer. So if you don't want to replace it every year, I generally get 3 to 5 years out of my batteries. I'm going to show you 2 tips. The first one is making sure that the battery is charged before you even put it in the bike. So I'm going to pull it out of the box, I'm going to hook it up to a battery charger and make sure that it is 100% charged before I put it on the bike. While it's charging, I'm going to take the side panel off. It's 2 8mm bolts. Ooh, that's tight. Break it loose by hand. And then this clips into here, so you should be able to pop that off. Yeah, it just pops right off, super easy. And what do you know, you got the battery right here. There's nothing else. And before you disconnect the battery, just make sure that the engine is off. So this, and turn the key to the left. And I'll just unscrew the negative line first. And this one's got 2 things here. I'll tell you what that is in a minute. And then the positive line. And then to get this strap off holding the battery in, you just need to remove this 8mm bolt here. Then the strap can come off. And the battery slides right out. Yuasa! The right model is YTX4L-BS. This battery looks fully charged, so I will unplug it from the wall first. You can take these leads off. And then just quickly compare the size of the old battery to the new battery. Yeah, it looks like the same size. Now you just slide the new battery right in place there. And then grab your bag with the new nuts and screws here. So you take this nut and you slide it in right there and right here. And then you'll take these ground wires, put the bolt or the screw through them, make sure it lines up with that nut in there, and tighten her down. I actually just noticed this little tab here that goes in towards there. If you just slide that in between the little plastic tab and the terminal, that should make it really easy to locate that nut. There we go. Just get it snug. You don't need it super tight. Then you can get the positive terminal hooked up. Pull back that cover. And you can get the strap back on. Make sure you hook it around that loop there. Get this bolt back in. Then you can pop the side panel in. Make sure this slides in here. And you got this little tab that goes in there. And your 8mm bolts back in. Oh, battery's dead. And there's another tab over here that needs to be pushed in. Now the moment of truth, we'll try and start it up. Cold start, choke, on, battery. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, ready to roll again. No more kick-starting because this thing is a beast to start. Now the final tip for your CRF110 battery lasting longer is getting a battery tender. So those extra clips in there, which I'll show on the screen here, that goes out to this quick alligator connector here. You just have to get a motorcycle battery tender and that will keep it charged when you're not using it. Just make sure you get the right one, or one that's changeable modes for a lead acid or a lithium battery based on what you have, because if you're using the wrong one or the wrong mode, you might blow up your battery. If you still have a carbureted dirt bike like this and want to learn how to tune it so that it starts easy and runs great, I got a free air fuel screw tuning guide in the description below. Or if you're looking for the best mods that are actually worth your money for the CRF110, I got an article on that as well in the description. I'm Kelly from MX Hideout. Ride safe, have fun.